Hello,
Hi Varshini.
what we are going to see today?
Today we are going to discuss about this equation. From this equation we are going to find x. This is very simple trick we are going to apply to find this x value here. Let's get into the video very quickly. To find this x, we have to write 2 power x minus 32x equal to 0. From this equation we are going to find x. This 2 power x equal to plus 32x. Now 2 to the power of x, we are adding both sides x in the division. 32 x divided by x. This x and this x will be get cancelled. So 2 power of x by x equal to 32 will be here. 32 we can write as into 1. So from this 32 we can multiply by 1, which means the value will be remain same, that is 32. So 2 power of x divided by x equal to 32 into 8 by 8, which is 1 egg. Now this 32 we can write as 2 power 5 into 8 by 8. This 2 power 5 into this 8 we can write as 2 power 3 divided by 8. Now since this and this are same value, so we can add this power 5 plus 3. So 2 power of 5 plus 3 divided by 8, which means 2 power 8 divided by 8. Now the equation is 2 power x by x. Now this x equal to 8, this x equal to 8. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled, which now the x equal to 8. This is the answer.